Hi, second grade parents. This is Mrs. Runyon here, and I wanted to take a few moments to explain the measurement project that is coming home. It will be in your child's take-home folder today. This is a project that will take place instead of a math test on measurement. The students are doing extremely well when it comes to using a ruler for inch, half inch, and centimeters. So I'm very confident that they know and understand how to use a ruler and make accurate measurements correctly. So I figured I would take a different route and do a measurement project. If you can please help your child with some of the components of this would be great. At the top, it lists for everything that needs to be done. Also, it is due back on March 6th, that they have 7 days. It's due next Monday. At the bottom, this is the grading sheet, the rubric that I will be using. This will help your child achieve 100 points. It is broken down for 10 points. The project must be turned into school on time by March 6th. If they have the project done prior to, they can hand it in early. I did explain to them if they handed it in on March 7th, it would be late. So they would lose points unless they were absent on March 6th, so that's different. They would earn 15 points if the chart includes height measurement of 5 different people. So they can measure mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, and they can even do themselves. They can do mom, dad, aunt, uncle, baby sister. If you're fortunate enough to have 5 people in the family already, that's perfect. But they must have 5 different people measurements. The next one to earn 15 points, each person must sign the chart to show that they were measured carefully and accurately. If it is a little kid, like a toddler, they can use crayon. If they don't know how to write their name, they can do a cute little scribble, anything for their own personality. That way I know it is theirs is perfectly fine. For 15 points, it says each person's height is written as feet and inches. Parents, that is where you're going to have to help your child convert from inches to feet, because that's multiplying or dividing by 12 inches. So you are more than welcome to do that part of it. You can actually pull out a calculator. We've been learning how to use calculators, and you can walk them through that. Use your iPhone, or if you have a calculator for the division of 12, that is fine. And then they can probably measure out just the inches. They're pretty good at doing stuff like that. They can go to the nearest whole inch or half an inch is fine. For 15 points, the heights have been arranged from tallest to shortest. Each person has a face drawn or photographed. And then for 15 points, their handwriting is neat. Pictures are neatly drawn or photographed. Paper is returned relatively wrinkle-free. If it's folded in half, I completely understand, or a corner's bent, I definitely understand. Each person's name is spelled correctly and begins with a capital letter. So that is how the children can earn 100 points. And then if you're looking at when it says here about the chart is already provided to you and your child, which is on the back of this page. So when I flip it, no, it's on the back of their page, not on mine. But on the back, this is where they will put their name and then the date. And here is their first one. So this is where they can draw and color in a neat picture. Or if you do have pictures of that person and you're willing to let them cut and glue on here, that would be great. And then your child is going to write the name of the person being measured. They will write the height in inches only, and the height in feet and inches. This is where you will help your child. And then the signature of that person. So let's say dad is the first one because he's the tallest. And then dad would sign his name here. But the rest will be in your child's handwriting. Okay? If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me. You can comment down below in Google Classroom. I think it shows up if you comment on the YouTube post. I'm not 100% sure. I know a few parents have, and I miss those comments. So it's better if you just email me or comment in the Google Classroom. I will have a PDF file of these pages bleh, I'm like having a brain fart here. It's clearly Monday. I will have a copy of it uploaded into Google Classroom. In case it gets lost, you can quickly print at home. So again, if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks again. Bye.